had a quick question for you. Have you ever wondered why some affiliate marketers crush it while others struggle for years without results? Here's the brutal truth. It's not your product. It's not your ad copy. And it's definitely not your sales skills. Okay? You want to know what it is? Let me tell you. The number one reason why most affiliate marketers are failing right now is because they don't have effective follow-up skills. And that's a problem. Or even a follow-up process for that matter. It's terrible. Yep, I said it. That's it. And Rich and I missed this at the very first time when we first started marketing online. Now here's a statistic that blew my mind I want to share with you. 78% of leads buy from the first person who follows up. Let that sink in for a minute and ask yourself, are you following up fast enough or not at all? Don't worry. If the answer is no, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. Here's the exact 3-step system Rich and I use. Are you ready? Step 1, capture leads 24/7. That's right. We have our AI handling this for you, even while you're sleeping. Step 2, follow up instantly. Not after days, instantly. Some text messages, email, even a phone call is sent by the AI in seconds. And step 3, stay in their world. Our system keeps the conversation alive. No ghosting, no awkward silences, just trust building follow-up on autopilot. Now, here's the fun part. Your phone starts buzzing with $1,500 commissions. Oh my gosh, while you're even at the grocery store or maybe you're at your kid's game, all right? Or maybe you're on the beach having a good time. One of our community members named Frank actually pulled in $12,489 a month using this exact system. And the best part, you don't need to be techie. We built it to be crazy simple, so if you're ready to start seeing results and see how this thing works, click the link below or check the link in my bio, and don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll show you how our AI handles objections for you on autopilot. So you never, ever have to stress another day of worrying what to say and how to say it or dealing with awkward sales conversations again. This is Ace Guzman, and I'll see you in the next video.